Welcome to DJH Prestige Sports. We've just acquired this lovely Land Rover Evoque. It's the 2.2 diesel. It's a Dynamic Plus. It's got a lot of extras on this car. I'll try and go through as many as I can. I'll probably miss a few. As you can see with the looks, you've got the full black pack as well. It's got the front park distance control, the 360 cameras, unmarked gloss black alloy wheels. Absolutely stunning condition. We haven't even valeted it yet. Privacy glass to the rear park distance control, reverse camera. You've got the lux pack, rear diffuser with a twin exhaust, colour coded. But have a look at that. Black, absolutely lovely. Fixed panoramic roof as well. Every option you want. Electric tailgate, rear parcel shelf, boot areas in lovely condition. It's just going to be MOT'd and serviced. Got full black leather interior with the white stitch piping, all in lovely condition. No scuffs on the back of the seats or anything like that. It's got the Meridian Hi-Fi. It's got the electric memory seats, electric windows, electric mirrors. Again, nowhere. Doesn't. Panoramic roof with a sliding blind. Just start the car up. Got paddle shift on the gearbox. Done 95,013 miles. Cruise control, 3-stage heated seats, passenger and driver, dynamic driving. This car also has a very rare dual screen with the TV, so your passengers to come watch the TV while it's been driven. Dual view. It's got 360 cameras. All of them working. Rear park distance control. Parktronic. Bluetooth connectivity, audio and video again, Sky News, DAB radio. It's all in lovely condition. Augs and a USB, all in lovely condition as you can see. Paddle shift on the box. Drives absolutely superb. At DJH we offer full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.